You know the importance of keeping your greenhouse or polytunnel free of unwanted bacterial and fungal diseases. A new, powerful horticultural disinfectant is available from Spray Away called Dirt Destroyer. It makes keeping your greenhouse or polytunnel disease-free a quick and simple task. Dirt Destroyer is a specially formulated synergistic blend that is bactericidal, fungicidal and veridical, yet sensitive to the user and should not harm insect predators that are used for biological control. Dilute the solution as per the instructions and spray the work area fast. Dirt Destroyer is ideal to disinfect the water used to wash cuttings and bulbs. Keep capillary matting and sand beds in top condition by thoroughly spraying once a month, and garden tools should be regularly immersed for 10 minutes. Keep your greenhouse or polytunnel disease-free. Get Dirt Destroyer today.